Today, we're taking a look at the newest tires to hit the market, the MBoards Nova tires. For the past 5 years, MBoards has stocked the same old Sunmate tires that have been kicking around the industry for pretty much ever. And today we finally get to say enough is enough. And that's where the new Nova tires come in. Whether you're racing, looking for high performance, or really just want to make your daily commute that much better, these tires are definitely for you. So let's dive into the specs. The first thing you'll notice about these tires is the general shape profile. They are square rather than round. We went with a square profile to maximize the contact patch. Round tires, for example, only touch the ground in the center of the tire because they're round, which leads to a very uneven tread wear. So the center of the tire will wear before the outer edge of the tire, which greatly reduces the overall life of your tires. And it also significantly reduces the amount of grip you have on the road. The square profile, compared to the round profile, allows for the entire width of the tire to be touching the ground while you ride. So that means a very nice, even tread wear, as well as way more grip than the round tire. Speaking of tread and wear, where do these stack up? Well, as far as we can tell, we've got the deepest tread of any other Esk8 tire. So we've got 3.5 millimeters of tread. If you're not really sure how that stacks up, a Sunmate tire, for example, only has 1.5 to 2 millimeters of tread. And it's round, so you'll see that you'll wear through that much faster. This is not necessarily a great comparison. Sunmates are notoriously cheap versus these tires. It's just a completely different ballpark here. Across the whole board, we have not found a tire with a deeper tread than ours. And because of how deep our tread is, that means you're just getting a better bang for your buck. You've got a lot more time to wear your tires down before you're forced to get new tires. So again, your money's gonna go a little bit farther. That's always good. Okay, so all those features, that's great. That's just the geometry of the tire, but let's talk about the formula. We've actually went with an all natural rubber formula, meaning you can actually smell the difference. Like you walk into a tire shop, this is the scent that you're getting. I know the smells, that's cool, but that's not why we went with this tire. We went with it because of the amazing grip that natural rubber provides. So like this tire, for example, the Sunmate, it's synthetic. It's got fake nonsense in it that's just mediocre, is what I'll call it. But this, for example, this is really high quality rubber and you can feel the difference. I know that they smell great. That's not why we did it. We did it because of just the amazing amount of grip that you get with these. When you're really deep or aggressive into a carve, you can actually hear the grip like grabbing onto the road. It's hard to explain, really hard to get on camera, but you'll know what I'm talking about when you actually ride one of these. And finally, what board are these for? Like who can use these? Well, pretty much anybody with an electric skateboard that are using all-terrain tires. So these will work on all 50 millimeter wide hubs. These will actually stretch pretty well on 65 millimeter hubs, but for a good rule of thumb, any 50 millimeter wide hub can use these. So Evolve, MBoards, Onsra, Meepo, you get the idea. And one last thing, we've really swung for the fences here. We've made a 6-inch and a 7-inch version. I know that most people either love 6s or they love 7s. They don't necessarily want to change sizes. So we've got both options available right now. So that's pretty cool. I personally ride the 6s on my Interstellar and the 7s on my Endurance. It's just complements each board perfectly. But again, if you ride an Evolve, Onsra, whatever you got, these will work on them great. So if you're a 6 person or a 7 person, we've got both sizes. And don't just take our word for how awesome these tires are. In the description, we've left links to several reviews from some of the most trusted Esk8 reviewers. And they talk all about our tires. So if you want to hear it from somebody who's not trying to sell you tires, go watch it over there and they'll tell you their honest opinions. We didn't pay anybody. We just sent them tires and said, please make a video. Let me know what you think. And those are their opinions. So go ahead and watch those before you buy any tires or anything like that. But we are hoping that, perhaps you'll consider these tires for your build. And that's pretty much it. These are the Nova tires. I hope you guys got something out of this video and we will see you guys in the next video. See ya.